Smoking turkeys for Tom at St. Jude. Smoke got in my eyes. I got my eyes closed, guys, but everything okay. Smoking turkey. Two of them. One for Tom and one for me. And I got the rocket heater going. As you can tell, I have the rocket heater going. And I also had a smoker going. Smoker. Rocket heater. All right, guys. We'll be bringing that turkey to work tomorrow. To Tom. You hear that, Chris? We're going to bring that turkey to work tomorrow, man. It's all ready. That turkey's good. And this rocket heater, I'm putting it in the house Thursday, Thanksgiving Day. It's going in the house. Yes, sir. That baby works good, man. You hear me? That's a good heater. No smoke. Constantly burning. And just them two sticks right there, we got 400 degrees out of just them two sticks right there. And they burning slow. So when I get my firebox built, everything gonna be okay. And we smoking turkeys, Tom. 5 hours, Tom, we smoking them. Yes, sir. It's gonna be all right. Everything gonna be well, man. You gonna enjoy this turkey. I'm gonna enjoy our turkey too. I ain't gonna get a chance to eat none of it, but the family will. All right. See you later. Bye.
She wants some deer sauce and deer steak.
That'll be our niece.
Yeah.
Want deer sausages and deer steaks. You hear that, Gary Simmons? Deer sausages and deer steaks. And she got money. All right, buddy. Bye.